All right, welcome back, eSIM Studios. Today we have a screen protector installation. Now, I've actually never purchased a Spigen screen protector before. This is the first Spigen. I purchased a gazillion of the cases, just never the screen protector. Now, I've tried a couple of different off-brand screen protectors for this Pixel 8. This is the original Pixel 8, not the Pro. This is the original, the smaller Pixel 8, and just had some issues with smaller, with generic screen protectors. So I wanted to give a shot with something that was made for this device, and as you can tell, Spigen GlasTR AlignMaster screen protector made for Google Pixel. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Has the installation tool, and let's see how we get this going. I'm assuming, obviously that goes, we can turn the phone around. This will go on the top. Let's see, you have a tool to get the air bubbles out. And then in here, and there are these screen protectors, if I can get it out. It comes with two screen protectors, right? Now, it's interesting enough. Now, this is good, all right? When I first pull it out, there's no cutout for the front selfie camera. Now, when you first think about it, you're like, well, what the hell? I need a cutout for the... see, here's my Pixel 8 Pro. And this is not a Spigen glass screen protector. This is an aftermarket or off-brand screen protector. But look, it does have the cutout here for the front selfie camera. I actually prefer screen protectors that are 100% flat with no cutout. And here's the reason why. There are lint, dust, little pieces of debris collect inside there, and it's a pain in the ass to clean it. So when you regularly wipe your phone off, it doesn't get inside there. You have to have Q-tips to get inside there, clean it real good. It's a pain in the butt. I prefer flat glass like this Spigen, so I'm glad to see that is the case. Let's see what's in here. Installation kit. So we'll need one of these for one of the installs, and then you have stickers, dust removal stickers, which are key. We'll leave that here. And what you're going to need to do before you start anything, now, y'all know if you're a subscriber to my channel, the secret, the key to doing this to get a perfect install is do this in your bathroom. Now, I'm not in my bathroom because I'm recording this, right? But go in your bathroom. Do it on your bathroom counter. As you're getting all this set up, run the hot water in your shower. Run it all full hot. Let it steam up. And what that does, the steam in your bathroom, right? Close the door. The steam in your bathroom weighs down the lint, so it does not get on your screen. Okay, so since we're not in the bathroom, let me go wipe this area down. Make sure there's no dust, no lint, nice clean surface. Last thing you want to do is have to take it off, and then use your spare screen protector. Once you get this done, you want to do it right the first time. Put this there. Okay. This is really, really, really wet. Normally they're not this wet. And what this does, this is your absolute must, you cannot skip any process. This alcohol gets the little, it obviously cleans it, right? But it gets the oil from your fingerprints off. It gets it 100% clean. All right. There we go. Now we'll take this microfiber, clean that off. Okay. Now, again, I'm not familiar with installing this, but let's see how it goes. You got to go through all these steps to get a perfect installation. Don't skip anything. Okay. Now, this is the back. Why? I wonder why it has this tab here. What the hell is this for? Well, let's give it a try. I guess it goes on like that. I guess that's how it goes. I don't press, slide. It's weird installation because it went on crooked. Because look, there is more, it's closer to the right than the left. So what's up with this alignment tool? Is it not on right? I don't understand. Huh. Well, let's throw a case on it and see if it works. Now all you simply do is just work out the air bubble. That is off, isn't it? That is way off. So what's up with this alignment tool? This is bullshit, in my opinion. It's pretty expensive. It's totally off-centered. What the fuck? Oh, I'm gonna redo this bullshit. Expensive ass. Well, I'm gonna reserve my judgment until we put the second one on, but this first one didn't go on right. This is an expensive screen protector. I've had cheap ass screen protectors with better alignment tools. You know what? I have another alignment tool. Hang on. Okay, so this is an alignment tool from a cheaper screen protector that I purchased. And I think it's going to work. I'm going to try it. I think it's going to work better than this one. But let me make sure it's going to work. So this is the old one, right? So let's put it on and act like we're going to install it when we're not. I just want to see if it's going to fit. Yeah, it's not a perfect fit. So you would see none of it's touching the screen except a couple corners. So I would have to install it, push the middle down, and then pop the top off, and it would have to go on like this. See, that's a perfect fit. Is it? Still seems off to the right, no? Why is it wanting to go to the right? Huh. That's a good fit. Okay. So let's try it again. So that's the bad one. So let's redo this. Sorry. I'll do this quick. Okay. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but let's see. Instructions say cleaning, I did that. So after the cleaning wipe, you put the alignment tool on, peel the back of the film, put the top first, push it down, take it off. Oh, take the alignment tool off, then peel the sticker off. Okay. All right, well, let's give it another shot. So we'll let it sit for a second. We'll let it sit for a second. That when you see it go like that, it just sits perfectly on the display. So what we'll do now is we'll push this down and take the okay, now we will peel this back. Okay, now we'll look at it. You always, when you get these air bubbles out, always go inside out and only outside in if you have to. Alright, actually it looks like a good install finally. Yeah, it's okay. Well, it looks perfect now, so it took 2 to get a perfect install, but there you have it. Just be careful when you put this on. No air bubbles, perfectly aligned, and then let's throw a Spigen case on there to see if it works. Yep, it's perfectly aligned. Okay, well, I got lucky on the very last one. So there you have it. Spigen tempered glass screen protector for the Pixel 8. Appears to be good, but just be extra careful and precise when you put on the screen protector and the alignment tool, because as you saw, the first one was not aligned. But there you have it. Appreciate you watching. Please stay tuned. We have more Pixel 8 case reviews. We also have OnePlus 12. Just got this in yesterday, so we're going to do a bunch of testing today. So please stay tuned for all the Samsung news and reviews, all the Pixel news and reviews, all the Nothing Phone news and reviews. And don't forget, we live stream every afternoon. Come join us, talk tech with us every day. Peace out.